Hey, welcome to another show. I just got the new Galaxy S9 Plus in, and I'm super excited to try out the new Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. This is one tough case. I have this on my S7 ever since it came out, and I have dropped it. I have used this like you would not believe, and it is one tough case. On the S7, I had the Zag screen protector, but with this new Unicorn Beetle Pro for the S9 Plus, it comes with a screen protector. So I'm kind of interested to see how this is going to hold up, how it feels, and what it looks like. Stay tuned. All right, thanks for watching. Let's get started. Let's open up the new Unicorn Beetle Pro. All right. Take everything out of the box real quick. And now I'm going to take this part here, take off the nice protective film. And there's one on the other side. All right, the material of this is a plastic, and it is not glass. So let's go ahead and quickly install this for you to see what it's going to look like. So I'm going to just snap this on here. All right. And now go ahead and put this on the case itself. And like I said, this is a flexible case here. It's not. It's sturdy. Don't get me wrong on that. But you know, it's really. I've been really happy with this. So let's quickly put this in. So all I do is put it in the bottom, like that. Push it down a little bit, and just put the two fingers here. Keep on pushing. And bada boom, bada bing, it's already installed. The buttons are great. Feels good. I like this part right here. I love the, it protects this in case of sand or dirt or anything. So it covers up your inputs. It's nice and snug. Very pleased with this case. Looks nice. And with the protective case here that can snap on your belt, all you have to do is put it in like this. Snap it in. And you can also move this down like that and use it as a little stand so you can watch movies if you want to. And if you want to be really protective, if you're walking in the outdoors, then all you have to do is put that in there this way with the screen facing in, snap it in, and put that on your belt. Very rugged. I mean, hey, why pay a lot of money? This, I feel, is one of the best protective cases for the Galaxy phones. And like I said, I've had this for many years on the S7, and I have dropped it so many times and been really happy. I have the Zag screen protector on this one. All right, on a lot of reviews, they show you how to put this on, but you know that sometimes you need to get a SIM card inside your phone. So I'm going to show you what it looks like to take this off. So right now, I will tell you that this is super snug, and you really have to get your fingernails in there to try and take it off, which is not a bad thing, because when you have a case like this, you don't want a lot of debris and sand and dirt getting inside. So once you get a hold of that, then you just try to get a corner off, and then after that corner, it should come fairly easy. And it's like I said, it's on there snug, and that's for a reason. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, got it off. And now I'm going to take a look here, and this should come out really pretty easy. I'm just going to kind of bend down here. Bend this down with my fingers, and it pops off just like that. Now this screen protector right here, it looks like it's on there secure, but I'm sure with a little bit of pressing I could probably pop this off. So if you did want to fit another screen protector in here instead of this, I think it would be possible, but I don't have the experience of that, so I really don't know. I'm just assuming. So far it looks like a great case. I've been really happy with the Galaxy S7 Supcase, and so this Unicorn Beetle Pro for the new S9 Plus. I know the outside part is going to hold up great, and so I don't know about the screen protector. We're just going to have to see over time. Make sure you leave a comment down below. I'll keep you updated. I'll have a lot more videos coming on the Galaxy S9 Plus. And like always, subscribe and have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.